Welcome back to our channel, Bite Beat Beaten. Where's gonna heading today?
Yeah, we're gonna eating the Omani cuisine.
Almandoos Omani cuisine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Finally, we
Yeah.
reach here. Gonna take order. Say hi, buddy. He can speak Bahasa. Sik.
Chicken special. They call it kambing.
Kambing, yeah.
Yes.
4 private room around here.
One piece hat. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Same as before,
Yes.
we're waiting for the food, our food,
Exactly.
Omani food.
They have this babu, this traditional one.
Haris soup. Don't forget to say bite, beat, beaten.
So this is lentil soup. It's mixed with the spices.
The last soup is Pablo.
Pablo.
The name is Pablo, yeah?
Pablo with rice.
Bite, beat, beaten. Kasha, like Omani salad or
Omani
Arabic.
salad,
Omani
yeah.
salad,
Omani
yeah?
salad.
Omani.
Male.
Male.
Male is a traditional also salad. And
So try again the awal, like
it's a fish.
dry shark fish. Beaten. This is sour and there is too many onion.
Mutton, which is kambing. We call it kambing in Indonesia. Cooked underground. So let's try it. It's kind of.
It's good. Kasabia. It's like camel.
We try roasted chicken with authentic Omani spices. We're gonna try the chicken first. Looks nice. So once again, it's a little bit sour. So let's try with the rice. Bismillah.
Awal.
We're done.
We're done. And we got this.
Yes.
For taken away. Stay tuned in our channel. Bite, beat, beaten. Bite, beat, beaten. Bite, beat, beaten.